In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can simplify like terms. Looking at the example on the left-hand side, I've got b plus b plus b plus b. One thing to remember is that any time I use a letter in algebra, it can represent a number. And let's take, for example, that b represents 3 in this case. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 would be the equivalent problem if b was equal to 3. The value of this is 12, and another way of arriving at 12 would be to have 4 times 3. Now reintroducing the algebra, b plus b plus b plus b, where b can represent any number, another alternative way of writing this same problem would be to have 4 times b. Whenever we have numbers being multiplied by letters, we often write them together, omitting the multiplication sign so it doesn't look like I've just written 4xb. 4b is now the answer to my question. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So here I have f plus f plus f. I have 3 f's. So the alternative way of writing this same problem would be to have 3 times f. And as we saw on the left hand side, anytime I've got a number being multiplied by a letter, we write them together as 3f and secretly know that this means 3 times f. This is the final answer to the question.